How to book a service, repair or MOT online on crownhonda.co.uk. Booking online with Crown Honda is simple. Start by entering your postcode to find your nearest service centre. You can choose between either our Hendon or Bushey Heath workshops. Whatever is more convenient for you. Next, enter your Honda's registration number, followed by its current mileage. Confirm your vehicle's details. Now you can choose the type of service that you would like. You can also add on a variety of additional services, as well as an MOT, which includes a 50% discount with a service. Continue to date and time. You have a choice of booking types, including customer drop-off, while you wait, or collection and delivery. Choose whatever is more convenient for you, followed by your preferred date. Choose your preferred time. And then continue to your details. Next, enter your personal details. Confirm you've read our privacy policy and terms and conditions, and continue to confirmation. Review your booking, and click Confirm Booking. And you're done! We will confirm your booking within 2 hours during our opening times, Monday to Friday, 8 AM to 6 PM. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us.